Crypto 101. What is the Bitcoin 4-year cycle? The Bitcoin 4-year cycle is a pattern that has emerged in the price of Bitcoin since it was created in 2009. The cycle is based on the fact that the reward for mining Bitcoin is cut in half approximately every 4 years. This is known as the halving event. In the early days of Bitcoin, the reward for mining a block was 50 Bitcoins. Then, in 2012, the reward was cut in half to 25 Bitcoins. In 2016, it was cut in half again to 12.5 Bitcoins. And in 2020, the most recent halving event, the reward was reduced to 6.25 Bitcoins. Why is the Bitcoin 4-year cycle important? So why does this matter? Well, the theory is that the halving events cause a reduction in the supply of new Bitcoin entering the market, which puts upward pressure on the price. This is because there are fewer new Bitcoins being created to meet demand, which makes existing Bitcoins more valuable. This has been borne out by the data. If you look at the price of Bitcoin over time, you can see that it tends to go through cycles of boom and bust. The halving events seem to be a major factor in these cycles. After each halving, there is often a period of several months where the price of Bitcoin goes up significantly. This is followed by a period of consolidation or correction, where the price stabilizes or goes down slightly. What should investors know about the Bitcoin 4-year cycle? So what does this mean for investors? Well, if you're considering investing in Bitcoin, it's important to be aware of the 4-year cycle and the halving events. Historically, the price of Bitcoin has tended to rise in the months leading up to a halving event, and then to correct or consolidate in the months that follow. During the last half of the cycle, we can see that it is also the most volatile. The reason for this is the halving showing its effect with a delay, and here we can see the supply and demand law in its purest form. If Bitcoin repeats its past performances, we should see a new cycle top forming up some time after the halving. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. The Bitcoin market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable, and there are many factors that can influence the price. So while the 4-year cycle is an interesting phenomenon to be aware of, it's not something you should rely on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Support the channel by checking out our NFTs in the description below. Take care, spike your hair, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.